all eyes are on you, and what do we tend to do in that moment? We shrink. So maybe all eyes are on you because someone's just confronted you. Maybe they've offered an objection to something that you've offered, or maybe it's just your turn to stand up and introduce yourself. But in those situations, a lot of times we tend to shrink when it's the opposite. We want to really be able to stand in our power and stand in our presence. I also hear a lot of people saying that they think people underestimate them. They know they have a lot of expertise, they know they're really talented, but that doesn't come across in their personal presence. And, a lot of times too, going on with this challenge is you get a very brief moment to introduce yourself in a way that you really stand out. So I want to offer you 3 quick tips that are going to help you in the moment be able to be more confident and stand out more. I'm Cassie Nevitt. I'm the creator of Present with Confidence. And as I'm sharing with you in this series, the quickest way to change your state is through your body. It's not through your mind. So these are going to be kind of body-centered tips. The first tip is to imagine lifting right where your necklace would hang from the inside. So kind of an elevator that lifts up and holds this spot up. The second key is going to be to breathe into and imagine inflating your collarbones. So when you do that, you want to feel that they kind of open, they lift, and let them stay that way. The third key is to stretch out your arms or otherwise take up space. And what that's going to do is actually chemically change your body so that you feel more confident and you feel less stressed. All 3 of those things together are going to help you not only be seen as more confident, but feel more confident. They're going to help you be able to attract the attention that you want so that you do stand out and you make an impact when you're speaking. So I hope you find that helpful. I'd love to hear your comments below. Have you tried this? Is it helping you? When are you going to try it next? So all the interaction happens at CassieNevitt.com. You can go there and leave a comment in the blog post below. And if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for the email updates on CassieNevitt.com, and you'll get a quick, helpful tip like this every week, every Tuesday, to be able to help you be able to present yourself more confidently, attract the positive attention that you want, and make the impact that you want to make. Thanks so much for watching, and make it a great day. We'll see you next week.